Beijing's shopping centers are vibrant hubs that blend modern retail with cultural flair, catering to diverse tastes and budgets. These centers not only serve as commercial spaces, but also as social and cultural landmarks, reflecting Beijing's dynamic evolution. Let's have a look at some. SOLANA Lifestyle Shopping Park is a premier open-air shopping and lifestyle destination in Beijing, often described as a European town nestled in an urban setting. It spans about 150,000 square meters and hosts over 500 retailers, restaurants, and entertainment options. It's renowned for blending high-end shopping with natural beauty, making it a popular spot for leisure, dining, and events rather than just traditional retail. SOLANA is right on the northwest shore of Chaoyang Park, adjacent to the scenic Liangma River. This prime spot offers lake views on three sides, providing a green oasis in the city center. It's designed as an outdoor lifestyle park rather than an enclosed mall, emphasizing open spaces, sunshine, and water elements for a relaxed vibe. Visitors often spend full days here, wandering the lakeside gourmet street, enjoying coffee by the water, or people watching in the central plaza. The shopping center hosts over 500 brands, including international fashion, luxury items, beauty stores, lifestyle shops, and a supermarket. It's a mix of trendy, accessible, and high-end options, with pop-up markets on weekends for unique finds like accessories and thrifted goods. SOLANA stands out as Beijing's go-to spot for a stylish, scenic escape, perfect for blending shopping therapy with a taste of European charm amid the city's hustle. SOLANA is a must-stop for me after a trip to Chaoyang Park for some delicious grub. Hopson One Mall is a large-scale, upscale, mixed-use shopping and lifestyle complex in Beijing's Chaoyang district. It's positioned as a refined lifestyle experience shopping center, blending shopping, dining, entertainment, leisure, and family-friendly activities into a vibrant urban hub. Often hailed as one of Beijing's five-star shopping centers, it's particularly popular among young professionals, families, and locals for its accessibility and trendy vibe. The mall's design draws from a fusion of past and future, as well as urban and natural themes, featuring modern architecture with open, airy spaces and creative layouts. It's a multi-level haven, including a 5,000 square meter rooftop exhibition center that feels energetic yet relaxed. The shopping center is home to nearly 800 brands across fashion, beauty, accessories, and lifestyle that emphasizes trendy mid to high-end retail with pop-ups, concept stores, and categories like smart gadgets, jewelry, apparel, and even automobiles. The mix caters to diverse budgets from affordable thrifts to luxury imports. There are nearly 200 eateries focusing on down-to-earth yet diverse options, global cuisines, street food stalls, cafes, and desserts, as well as its 21 district block, which is a late-night food and nightlife zone. I think this is one of the best malls in Beijing for food options. Livat Center, Beijing, is one of Beijing's largest and most expansive shopping and lifestyle destinations, developed and anchored by the Swedish retail giant Inca Group, IKEA's parent company. It's a super regional, one-stop hub for shopping, dining, entertainment, and family activities. Designed as a modern, people-centered oasis in the suburbs, it emphasizes Scandinavian-inspired openness, sustainability, and community vibes, attracting tens of millions of visitors annually, especially families and young shoppers from southern Beijing. It's earned a reputation as a destination mall that's less about luxury and more about everyday convenience and fun. Spanning multiple levels, it's family first, with Scandinavian, people-oriented elements that make it feel more like a community park than a sterile mall. The shopping center boasts around 455 tenants, with over 100 fast fashion brands, and has one of Beijing's most comprehensive affordable apparel selections. You'll also find home goods, electronics, beauty, supermarkets, and pop-up zones for local designers. It's mid-range focused, great for everyday buys rather than high-end splurges. Over 100 food and beverage options cater to all tastes and budgets, from quick service chains to diverse sit-down spots. Highlights include a massive food court with global flavors and family-style buffets. Loved for its spacious, breathable design and metro ease, Livat redefines suburban shopping in Beijing as an inclusive, joyful hub, blending Swedish smarts with Chinese scale for a fresh alternative to downtown frenzy. I go to this shopping center a lot for the IKEA food and budget-friendly shopping. Huaxi Live Wukesong is a dynamic, sports-themed, commercial, and entertainment complex in western Beijing. Often dubbed the Sanlitun of the West for its vibrant, youthful energy, it spans a significant area integrating shopping, dining, sports facilities, and nightlife into a lively urban neighborhood with a focus on cross-border integration of culture, sports, and leisure. It's designed as a premium destination for locals and visitors seeking an energetic escape and attracts a mix of young professionals and families. The shopping center has a solid mix of mid-range and trendy stores, emphasizing sports and lifestyle brands, fashion, and pop-ups. Over 100 dining outlets highlight diversity, from Beijing hot pot to Russian dishes, Mediterranean fare, Mexican tacos, and German beers. Tied to the Wukesong Arena, Huaxi Live hosts blockbuster concerts, basketball games, and international shows. Huaxi Live Wukesong captures Beijing's sporty, spirited side for an unforgettable urban adventure. I love going to concerts here, and the food selection is simply amazing. Joy City Xidan is a sprawling, modern shopping mall located in the heart of Beijing's Xidan commercial district, one of the city's busiest shopping hubs west of Tiananmen Square. The shopping center is renowned for its vertical design spanning 13 floors, offering a mix of international and local brands, dining, entertainment, and unique architectural features like one of the world's longest indoor escalators. It's a popular spot for both locals and tourists seeking a comfortable, air-conditioned escape from Beijing's hustle with a focus on fashion, beauty, and casual leisure. Joy City Xidan captures Beijing's blend of global glamour and local energy, making it a must-visit for shoppers in the capital. I've found this shopping center to be a great destination for buying electronics, and eating with friends.